Hello, I'm Wesley, one of the regional sales managers here at VTS America, and welcome to Tech Espresso. High-density computer room data center demand precision. Meet the VTS CRAH unit. It's engineered for performance, where uptime is everything. From 2,875 up to 36,000 CFM, and from 20 to 250 kilowatt capacities, depending on your project needs. It has a compact footprint with a maximum output. High-efficiency EC fan arrays deliver powerful, long-throw airflow for uniform cooling across the racks and larger data room, while minimizing power consumption. The angled full-height coil maximizes heat transfer, and the pressure-independent energy valve optimizes chill water flow, eliminating manual balancing and ensuring stable performance. Integrated plug-and-play controls gives you precise supply air temperature control, delta T regulation, room or return air strategies, depending on your specific project. Real-time monitoring through Modbus connectivity provides full performance transparency, including fan power and calculated efficiency values. Modular construction allows built-in redundancy for up to 16 units, with standby and emergency operation modes. Because cooling isn't support equipment, it's mission critical. VTS CRAH, precision cooling, zero compromise, engineered to do more with less energy. Let us spec your next project today. Please contact your regional sales manager, the local office, or reach out to us at vtsgroup.com for more information.